right, friends and family. We out here walking, enjoying the scenery. Yeah, well, this is gonna be a part of our workout. We already done got what, a couple hours in? No, a couple minutes in already. Well, we wanted to see a little bit of nature. We're coming across a nice white crane here in lovely Florida. We're on a resort called Vacation Villa, courtesy of a couple friends of ours.
Wonderful blessing.
That's what we was talking about, the crane. See, Sabrina's always like a couple seconds late.
Behind everybody, I know, but that's okay. It's all good.
But when she catch up, she catch up. She just can't muster it. That's why she catches up. It's a beautiful crane.
So elegant. We're not gonna bother you.
Yeah, we are.
Bother us.
We won't bother you, baby. There you go. Fly away. Fly away.
Oh, he's so beautiful, black and white.
Da, 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 da. So that was our first encounter with nature today. Can't wait till the next one. Our adventures have gone a different direction. We see something in the water here. We don't know what it is. It's like a seal or an otter, maybe even a beaver. But the detectives are on it. The Adventures of Brina and Dell.
Brina and Dell. It looks like a seal.
It's like an otter.
Oh, you know what it probably is? One of those, a beaver or something like that. Look at him.
Da, 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 da. Not on this camera.
You can't see
on
it. Oh my goodness.
He is having a good time.
If he starts coming this way, no, I'm running. Can you make out what that is? Can you make out what that is?
You can't figure it out?
It's an otter.
It's an otter.
It's an otter.
It's two of them. Look at him.
Yeah. Oh, they're eating fish.
Fish.
Wow. That is amazing.
You enjoy your breakfast. Damn.
He's long too.
Yes, both of them.
You taking pictures?
No, I ain't taking no pictures. My picture ain't gonna get it. You got it on camera. That is so awesome.
Wow. There's another one.
There's two of them. That is awesome.
That's so cute.
God's creation. That's beautiful.
Amazing.
Yes.
Yeah, totally unexpected.
They ain't paying us no mind. They just enjoying their breakfast.
Yeah. All right, now. That's our adventure for this morning. We've seen two otters.
And a bird.
They're looking at us now. Spring, get your picture out. Get your camera.
They're gone. I got two pictures of them. And I went to that old dirty.
So, let me put this up here.
Look at two of them.
I know.
And y'all should be doing what I'm doing. Giving praise to my friends.